Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today we will see how to calculate age using date of birth in Microsoft Excel. Let's see how to do this. First of all, here we have a table with date of birth details to calculate age. Here to calculate current age, we'll have to use datatif function. Now let us see how to use this datatif function to get the current age. Start typing equal to datatif function, open the bracket. Now select the date of birth, comma. Next, we need to use today function. In Excel, the today function is used to pick the current date. So write today function. Today function, comma, open double quote and write Y. Y is nothing but year. Now close double quote. Then click on enter. Here we can see the result age. Now to calculate other fields, just drag the formula to down. This will autofill the value. In this way, we will calculate age using date of birth in Microsoft Excel. For more videos, please like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.